Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the printer is powered and connected. This prevents needless troubleshooting. Once done, open the print queue from the system tray or settings printers and scanners, because the queue is where jobs are controlled. Make sure to identify the stuck document by name, size, or owner so you cancel the correct job. If multiple users share the printer, double-check who sent it before proceeding. This avoids accidental deletion and keeps other jobs safe. You should right-click the stuck job and choose Cancel or Delete. This is the cleanest method because the printer accepts the command directly. If cancel fails, stop the print spooler service on your computer for a few seconds and then restart it. This clears hung tasks in the operating system. After restarting the spooler, power cycle the printer and reopen the queue to confirm the job is gone. Make sure to restart any applications that were printing to avoid resending the job. Finish by clearing temporary print files from the spool folder if the job still appears, because orphaned files can reappear after reboot. Then, if problems persist, re-add the printer driver or run the built-in troubleshooter to repair configuration issues. This resets driver-level errors that cause hanging. And one key troubleshooting tip. If the queue keeps blocking, check permissions or quotas with your network administrator, since shared printers often block jobs due to limits or user restrictions.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.